Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be practicing a dynamic pose. It looked fun because the tutorial that I'm following, they start out with more of like a lot of line drawings, mostly basically like I put in my thumbnail a stick figure, and they built up on the stick figure, which I haven't practiced that way often. I've maybe tried it once before, but I've done so many techniques like practices since then that I was like, let me go back and let me try this and see how does it turn out. So the title of the tutorial I'm watching is called How to Draw Dynamic Figures, and it's Robert Marzullo, and I will put a link to his video in my description box. But yeah, I thought it looked interesting. So you'll see me messing with my mouse a lot because I pause his video so I can see where he's at, and then I'll draw a little bit, let him go again, pause, like that. Also, I don't know if anyone else does this, but I like to see how it's going to turn out kind of before I start sketching it, so I kind of know where the tutorial's headed. I almost need to see the finished thing along the way, so then I'll go back and I'll still do it step by step from the beginning, but I need to see what is it supposed to look like so I can see if I'm headed in the right direction. I think anytime I haven't done that, my drawings really don't turn out right. So this is just another practice session. I said I would try to post more times when I'm doing sketch practices, so this sketch is not going to turn into anything. I might practice some outline on top of that sketch, but it's not going to turn into anything serious. So it was mostly low pressure, but it's definitely outside of my comfort zone, so I figured that'd be good to share. Of course, I've sped it up. This actually took me 35 minutes to draw or so I really sped the video up so it could be about 5 minutes, because I'm not teaching, I'm learning, so there's nothing for me to really show by going that slow, in my opinion. Oh, and you'll see me struggle a lot on the hands, especially technically the figure's right hand, but it's on the left hand with the fingers. We're gonna get it eventually. It looked halfway decent by the time I finished, but you'll see how many times I had to erase that. And I also tried to get over my fear of erasing and starting over in different parts. I'm more comfortable with doing it in little doses now. So I had to adjust. You'll see I've had to adjust his calf muscle, the length of the foot. Of course, you're gonna see me redo the hand, little things like that. So I'm trying to get more comfortable with using that eraser and being okay with starting over a portion, especially because with this tutorial, they're doing it digitally. So when he's off a little bit, he's just, using the wand tool or cutting out the portion and just moving the leg up a little closer or the arm extended a little bit more, which I can't do that because I'm not doing this digitally. So I'm I gotta also be okay with some mistakes because first of all, it's practice. I'm not gonna render it. I'm not gonna do anything with it. So yeah, but I hope y'all enjoy this. I thank you for stopping by and clicking on this. Hopefully you'll come back. So if you like this, please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications if you want to see more. I have been really trying to fill up this sketchbook, and it's been really, really fun and refreshing. So yeah, thank y'all. See you later.